Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sydney. Happy birthday to you.
A princess guitar.
It's your favorite colors. Pink and purple. Do you love it?
We need to open it. Want to open it?
Yeah.
Boy.
Yes, you are, big girl. That's Sydney's guitar. I know. It's a real one.
Let's open it. Is it school?
He's going to give you a present from your brother and sisters later. After school.
He told me he was going to give me a present when it was nighttime.
He did?
He told me I was going to get something. He wasn't supposed to tell me. Daddy?
That's pretty. There's some new strings.
I could do this too.
Rock on, Sydney.
No, Brooklyn.